Space Mountain, code 2. Clear for takeoff.
Instrumentation?
Instrumentation, go.
Propulsion?
Go.
Facilities?
Go.
Electrical?
Go.
All personnel, clear the launch platform.
Space Mountain. It could only happen at Disneyland.
Experience it now.
Roger. All personnel, switch to channel number 2 for status check.
Our communication status is go. Global network status is go.
Instrumentation?
Instrumentation, go.
Propulsion?
Go.
Facilities?
I'm Dirk Tachyon.
And I'm Pam Pulsar. And this is our top story. On Earth, President Garko addressed accusations that he is a cold-hearted and unfeeling leader. He had this to say at a White House press conference.
My fellow Earthlings, don't treat me like some cold, unfeeling machine.
Tough times for the president, huh? Well, things were cheerier today at Neptune Zoo, where the first baby Garaxodon was born in captivity. The little fella gave them quite a scare when he broke free and ate 14 zoo employees. But he's back in his cage now, and mother and baby are doing just fine.
Quite an appetite. Last night in a ceremony on Jupiter, they crowned a new Miss Supernova. The winner hopes to use her title to bring interplanetary attention to the plight of the endangered green splotched boardman.
A band of intergalactic vandals has struck again. This time defacing the surface of the planet Venus with a 7,000-mile-long W, or perhaps an M. Cleanup crews will be working around the clock. Interstellar police have no leads.
This just in. After nearly 2 years in space, a diplomatic fleet from Proxima Centauri has finally reached the planet Earth, bringing with them a message of peace and goodwill. We now go live to this historic landing. More on that historic meeting later. But right now, it's time we checked in with our own traffic analyst, Wendy?
Thanks, Pam. Let's start off with the bad news. You're going to want to avoid the transgalactic interspace flyway, an asteroid hauler jackknife spilling its cargo over all space lanes. Let's take a look at a shot from our own Hubble traffic scanner. What a mess. Also, be extremely careful on Route 4066 where a giant black hole has opened up in the slow lane.
Thank you, Wendy. Looks like I better find another way home. Coming up later, the Intergalactic Food and Drug Administration warns that brain foods may have startling side effects.
Well, we made it all the way to the end. Thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe, and I upload videos on Mondays and Thursdays.